What's up, fellow Sambarians? Are you sick and tired of getting asked the same dang question every single time you want to take your sandbar out? And I'm talking about this question. Whoa, what kind of truck is that? What kind of truck is that there, whippersnapper? Whoa, is that one of them Chinese trucks? Where'd you get that little truck from? What is that? What do you call one of them things? I got the perfect solution for you. A big old tailgate Subaru sticker for the back of your sandbar. So now the question's not going to be, what is that? It's going to be, what kind of Subaru is that? And that's when you put the sticker on your window that says, mind your own dang business. I'm kidding. We're all nice people in these things. We love talking to people, right? Not me. So, I saw somebody in one of the sandbar groups ask about getting one of these for the back of his truck, and I figured, hey, I cut stickers and decals, why am I not selling these? So I'm gonna have these on the website, and today I was gonna just show you how to install it, because it is a pretty long decal and could be a little scary for some people to install this and get it straight and not crooked and no bubbles or wrinkles. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to install it if you end up buying one of these, and I'll have a link to these in my store online. So yeah, this one is black. You can basically request any color. If I don't have the color vinyl, I can print the color, so these will come black normally unless you ask otherwise. So this guy in particular, he wanted black. So yeah, we're gonna show you how to put these on. So first and foremost, you're gonna need a sandbar and a tailgate, and hopefully it's clean, and hopefully there's no paint or anything coming off of it, because that could make the sticker not want to stick very well and eventually fall off. But if it's nice, good. If it's not, maybe repaint it, give it a good surface to bite onto. But first we're gonna need to clean it. So I have isopropyl alcohol 70%, and we're just gonna give it a little wipe. Shine it up, give it a shiner. Okay, that feels good. So next, we're going to need, you're gonna need some kind of, sorry about that. So next you're gonna need, let me bring this down here. Okay, so once you got it cleaned up, you're going to need preferably painter's tape, something that will release nicely, not leave sticky residue behind. Hi Conejito. You're gonna need some form of a squeegee. You could use a credit card if you do not have a squeegee, but you can get these real cheap. And you're gonna need a tape measure. If you're OCD like myself, you're gonna want a tape measure so you can make sure you center the logo in the tailgate. Or if you're just an eyeballer, you could probably go off of this center line in the hinge for your tailgate and the center of the decal and just stick it up there. But we're gonna measure it. And here comes Conejito. He might visit us today. Conejito, hey buddy. All right. And if some of you are watching this and you've messaged me or something and emailed me and I'm terrible at responding, I do apologize. It has been very, very busy in the past week. I think it's springtime and people are starting to get their sandbars out from hibernation, and a lot of them aren't running. And people are swooping up parts faster than I can get them, basically. So I do apologize for any delay if I do not get back to you. It's not that I don't like you, I gotta get some stuff figured out so I can help people out on a more consistent basis. Okay, so if you're watching this, This decal is 24 inches wide and 3 inches tall, so it fits right in this little panel here. And again, if you're watching this, I'll save you some time. Just measure out 13 7/8 and you will be dead center. As long as your tailgate's normal and not all, I don't know how it can be crooked, but 13 7/8 is the gap you're looking for from there over. Okay, so now that we have it centered that way, we're gonna center it inside the little pocket. And you're gonna wanna go down the center, feeding it into that pocket. Oh, here come the patitos. Hi, Patito. Patito, can you guys be nice to each other? Okay, now that we got that all centered up, you're gonna need a razor blade. And what you're gonna do is make sure that thing's there, because we don't want to. Problem is I ceramic coated this thing, so it's not really sticking too well. So don't ceramic coat your sandbar if you're gonna put decals on it, because the decals, nothing is gonna want to stick. Basically, that's kind of the issue I'm having right here. Tape doesn't want to stay because I ceramic coated it. Okay, so you're gonna peel back one side here. Yeah, this tape isn't wanting to stick. So I peel back one side of the decal. Let's see if I can get it to stay. And then we're gonna trim away this paper. Don't cut the car, obviously. You don't want to cut the paint. And now that we have that, we'll take our squeegee and just go right along. There you go, that's one side down. And then we're gonna do the other side. I've been installing decals for a very long time, so to me it's very easy. But once you get confident, you kind of know what the sticker is gonna do and how it's gonna react. So just take your time, it's all about being patient. And then we're gonna feed down the other side. Now, let's see if it's gonna stick. Nope. So, don't ceramic coat your sandbar if you're planning on putting decals on it, because it is not gonna wanna stick. It's already peeling up. This is not an issue with the vinyl at all. 100% guarantee it's going to stick if it's not ceramic coated. That's a bummer. It's sticking in some spots. Nope. Man. That ceramic coat is some crazy stuff. Not too bad. Okay, so that's how you put it on. Just take your time, be patient. Don't do it when it's windy. Try not to do it in direct sunlight. Wind will obviously grab a flap and slap the decal down. And if that does happen, most of the time you can just quickly yank it like a band-aid. It will release until you really put pressure on it, then it's gonna grab. So you could just try yanking it. At that point, doesn't matter. If it's screwed up, it's screwed up. So again, just take your time. I don't see any bubbles in mine, so if you feed it as you lay it down, you should not trap any bubbles in there. And let's see. Thumbnail. So there you go. That's how simple and easy it is to install that decal. Again, I'm gonna have it in my store online. I'll have a link. And this is outdoor vinyl, so it's like 5-6 years outdoor life. And then I think I'll put one for reflective, just if you want to be safe. I have black reflective, red reflective, other reflectives I can put up in the store. But yeah, that will be a little bit more pricey because reflective vinyl is way more expensive. But anyways, there you go. Super quick and easy. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that was helpful. And yeah, see you on the next one.